Alright, this is the Opulus wireless shutter remote control. In this video right here, I'm going to show you, I'm going to install this onto my camera and insert the battery. So here it goes. Check the description part of the page. I'm going to leave some information about this product to where you can read more about it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the box to the side, and I already have this open. Right, this is the control. As you can see, this is where the batteries go. I have to get some batteries for it. It looks like AAA batteries go for this. And then the remote looks like some AAA batteries go for this as well too. So I'm gonna need a set of 4 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna have to go to the store a little bit and get that. But meanwhile, I'm just going to attach this to show you how it attaches to my camera. Gotta put that together right there. First, I'm going to insert the cable right here before I put it on top. Or maybe, you know what, I'll do that afterwards. So I'm gonna loosen up the shoe before I put it on, and then I'm gonna take this and I am going to take the shoe and put the shoe on. Just slide it on there and then tighten it down to make sure it's secure. And then I'm going to go on the side of my camera. This is a A7R Mark III. Love this camera. And I am going to find the appropriate plug right there, which is the multi. And I'm just going to insert that into the plug. And then insert this at the top right here. Alright, we've got a remote. I'm going to do some great landscape, as well as I'm going to do some astrophotography with this, and this is going to be perfect. That way I can actually get in the shot or step away and not have to worry about camera shake. Alright, so that's the remote. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to check the description part of the page for more information about this remote. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.